Tiruchitrambalam. Welcome back to our channel. In the 7th Sutra, we consider that the individual has the capacity to enjoy the world, which is Asat, and Shiva, which is Sat. In the 8th Sutra, Megandar explains the way of experience Shiva. The individual soul belongs to the class of intelligent being, and so it has special relationship with God, since both the individual soul and God belong to the sentient beings. Association of the individual with the world is possible because it is association with the spiritual darkness, Anavam. The sutra follows like this. ஐம்புல வேடரின் அயந்தனை வளர்ந்தினத்து தம்முதல் குருமாய் தவத்தினால் உணர்த்திவிட்டு அந்நியமின்மையின் அறநற்கள் செலுமே. When because of the soul's meritorious practice, the primary one enlightens the soul as Guru, also saying brought up among savages, the five senses, though has lost consciousness of any true estate. The soul leaves them and being not other, the Hara reaches Hara's feet. When the soul realizes his slave position and realizes also his true status, he rebels against the influence of the five senses, gives up to the attachment and connection with the bondage, and is united with Padi. The soul which was stranger to God is the state of ignorance, and bondage becomes one with him. In the state releases and it is united with foot of God, being no longer a stranger. This sutra declares the circumstance in which Jana is revealed to the soul by God. The revelation of Jana by God as a teacher is the only initial step towards the soul, final redemption and union. The soul does not become united to God as soon as Jana is revealed to him. He has to undergo a long course of training and purification before the union takes place. Dissertation statement. The souls obtain knowledge by exercise previously performed. There are three kinds of soul: Jnana Kalas, Pralaya Kalas, and Sakalas. Jnana Kalas are bounded only with Anava Mala. Pralaya Kalas are bounded by Anava and Karma. Sakalas are bounded by Anava, Karma and Maya. The redemption of the first two sets is made quite differently from that of Sakalas. All human beings are Sakalas and are bounded by three Malas. God first enters as light in the purified Jiva Mukta and thus takes the form of human beings. He remains in the world in the guise of Jiva Mukta till the attainment of Vedi Mukta, that is, leaving the body, and gives blisses to the such Sakalas are lifted and qualified. Verse 4. Souls do not know unless they are helped to the in the way of appropriate to the degree. For those who need the instruction of the Lord of the world, who himself need nothing, their need supply appears directly or indirectly. For those who do not require the teaching that supplies such needs, understand that there is God knowledge which brings deliverance through God within them. அறிவிக்க அன்றி அறியா உள்ளங்கள் செரியுமாம் முன்பின் குறைகள் நெறியின் குறையுடைய செற்று கொள்ளார் கொள்பவத்தின் வீரியன் குறைவில் சகன் சூழ் கொள்பவர்க்கு. Verse 5. O scholar, bless the rich dwelled once breast milk and tears at first or not, but the later arise. Even so, who could not know him, who like the shadow of the water is without visible form, if he did not reveal himself taking with the visible form. இல்லா முளைப்பாலும் கண்ணீரும் ஏந்தி நிலைப்பால் நல்லாய் உள்ளுமமாய் நீர் நிழல் போல் இல்லா அருவாகி நின்றானை யார் அறிவார் தானே உருவாகி திறன் ஊற்று. The milk and tears which were hidden within the woman and which did not issue till now, issue from the woman as soon as the child is born. Through the excessive love for the child, in the same way, God, who is always within the soul like water and its shadow, but who is invisible and a human form, through excessive love for such of the Sakalas who are fit and qualified to know the truth, otherwise nobody will know him in the world. Dissertation number 3. Statement. These souls confused by the five senses do not know themselves. Reason. For the five senses reveal that they reveal like the colors in clear crystal. Example, the souls which have sufficient intelligence to learn and understand things when taught by the God, or in the state of super through the influence of the five senses and not in the position to know themselves. Like the crystal, which loses its own brightness and color by taking the color nearest object, the soul loses its own nature by being overshadowed by five senses and experiences itself only in the terms of the senses. Verse 6. Like the crystal which displays many color and soul thinks its nature is displayed in the sense organs. The perceiving that the false sense organs like crystals many colors are different from it. It sees that the true object rejects the false as false and being different from non-real. It becomes dependent upon the true. பன்னீர் காட்டும் படிக்கம்போல் இந்திரியம் தன்னிறமே காட்டும் தகை நினைத்து பன்னிரது பொய் புலனாய் வேறு உணர்ந்து பொய்யாமை கண்டான் மெய்ப்பொருள் தெய்வமாம் வேறு. Dissertation number 4. Statement. When the soul sees itself different from the sense organs, then it attains the bird's feet from the primal one. Reason. For if the swinging rope breaks, Mother Earth is our support. Verse 7. The soul, like a great river diamond, escaping from the restriction of sense knowledge, attains the everlasting fate of Hara and never returns, just as river bursting the dam flow into the sea and merges itself there. Verse 8. If all the things are He, there is none to reach His feet if He is other than any. He is not the Lord. The other senses do not like the eye range at loss. When sighted is regained by the blind, see the superiority of God. The meaning of the verse is the God is the soul sense conditioned knowledge as well as its grace given knowledge, but just as sense of sight is superior to other senses, so the knowledge imparted by divine grace is superior to knowledge imparted by the senses. With these words, I end my speech. I think you get some points through me. Please share, like, subscribe. If you got any queries, please leave the comment section.